Can I charge my phone on a train? Phone at 5% and the train's rolling out? Can you charge on board? Usually, but it's not guaranteed. It depends on the operator, route, car age, and seat class. In the U.S., many Amtrak coaches advertise outlets at most seats, yet you'll still find dead sockets or shared pairs. Commuter lines often have fewer ports. Newer sets add USB. In Europe and parts of Asia, long-distance and high-speed trains typically offer reliable power USB, but older stock can be hit or miss. Quick check spots: under the window, below the seat, near the armrest, or at seat backs. The cafe car often has working outlets. Pro move: don't rely on the train. Carry a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank with USB-C PD under $40 in 2025, plus a short USB-C and USB-A cable. Use airplane mode or low power to stretch juice, and avoid plugging in bulky adapters that block neighbors. Bottom line? Yes, you can often charge on a train, but never plan a trip around it. Pack a power bank and treat onboard power as a bonus, not a promise.